What's up, y'all? Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. I'm gonna make this short and sweet because I'm excited. If you're just joining us, we're in the middle of restoring the underside of an Evo 9. If you've been following along, you know this has been a long time coming, but it is finally time to Cerakote the subframe, suspension arms, all that good stuff. No more wasting of the time. Let's do this. Alright, so we just got everything back from sandblast. This is one little piece of the subframe that goes in the back. Looks super good. If you've been seeing the other videos, you'll know this was pretty corroded, had some like undercoating and stuff on it, but looks so good now. Let me show you the other stuff. We got all of the suspension arms, all that stuff in there as well. I don't want to touch those with my bare hands, but yeah, we got all that stuff in there, all nice and sandblasted, ready to go. And then we got this piece as well, which is like the main subframe piece. So yeah, let's get this stuff degreased, washed off, get off all that like excess like media, powder, whatever you want to call it, and get it all cleaned up and ready to spray. This is super exciting. I say it's so exciting because I feel like it's just been months, well, because it has been, but to get to this point in the project, and I feel like now we can see like the end of the tunnel, and yeah, it's just getting really exciting. Okay, we got that stuff all degreased and cleaned up. It's been drying for a little bit now, so I'm gonna go through and spray some brake cleaner on all these parts, make sure they're extra clean, blow those off with some air, and make sure everything is dry and good to go, and then we can begin hanging these things up and start spraying some Cerakote. Alright, so before I hang these up and spray the brake cleaner on the parts, I wanted to share the color because I've been holding this in for a very long time. It's very exciting, and if you ask my parents, they will say they have no idea how I kept my mouth shut, but burnt bronze. I'm very excited about this color, very excited to see it on the car. Thank you, massive shout out to Cerakote for sending this stuff over. They provided the Cerakote for the whole project, really. The titanium color for the hardware and all that, and the burnt bronze for all this stuff. So thank you guys, very happy to work with them again, and yeah, let's spray some Cerakote. Okay, so this particular Cerakote is air cure, so there's no ovenry, there's no catalyst, nothing like that. Just gotta pour it through a little strainer into the gun and spray it. So I have sprayed brake clean on the small piece of the subframe, so it's over there hanging now. We blew it off with some air and it is ready to go. So I'm gonna mix the Cerakote, well, not mix it, but I'm gonna pour it into the gun and then we'll go spray it. Guys, it looks so good. I've still got about 5 or 6 pieces left to spray, but my goodness, I don't even have any words. It just went on so nicely. The color looks amazing on this thing. Oh, I can't wait to see it like on the car under there with all that black and stuff. Oh man. Alright, let's get to spraying some more stuff here. Jesus. So here it is out in the sunlight, and geez, it looks so good. So happy with this. Alright, so here we are, several days later. I filmed some more like spraying montages, but the GoPro apparently stopped working, so we didn't get any of those clips, but everything is like cured and all that stuff now, and man, I am super pleased with this color. Very, very happy with how everything turned out. Now all we gotta do is get the bushings and stuff in here. We're still waiting for the ball joints. They have not shipped yet, but I keep getting emails that say it's happening soon. So we should have those soon. So I'm looking forward to that. We get the bushings pressed in there and all that, and these things should look super sweet, and we can throw them back on the car. Actually, I went ahead and bolted up the subframe piece, the little small one, because I ran out of, well, I didn't run entirely out, but I didn't think I had enough of the Cerakote to do this piece, so I had to order some more, so we're waiting on that to arrive, but we'll spray that once it gets here. But the skinnier piece that I sprayed first, I went ahead and installed that, just kind of like a test fit, and put it on the car, and it looks sick. And boom, looks so good. Against all that black, the color really pops. I was a little concerned about it being a little too dark, which, I mean, it's going to be under the car, so I'm overthinking it a little bit, but man, against that black, the color really does pop, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, I can't wait to see all the other arms under here and all this stuff put together and see all of the bronze under here, because it's going to be just so sick. But yeah, that's how it looks right now. And with that being said, I think I'm going to end this one off here. Let me know what you guys think of the color. Did you expect bronze? This is a project I've been thinking about for such a long time, and I'm glad to see it done and kind of the color come together and see it on the parts and see the parts going back on the car and all that stuff, and kind of see the whole thing kind of coming together. So I'm going to post an update video in the next couple of days here probably, to kind of update some things around here. Stuff's about to get real hectic around here real fast, so I'll explain everything in that video. But yeah, until then, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it very much. Don't forget to do all the other YouTube things while you guys are down there dropping those comments and all that stuff. You guys know how it goes here. It helps the channel out a ton. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.